So Jan has meticulously gone through everything. Everything's reinstalled. The supercharger has been rebuilt so it doesn't have a dry bearing. The clearances are here. There's nothing for it, but the fluids are all there. They don't leak. So he's getting ready to climb in and see if this thing will run.
Dave, it's really important not to make noise right now.
I do, right, Bob?
Will you be quiet back there, Dave?
Okay, just check the throws on these controls if you would, Bob, or somebody. So there's a mixture. Bottom, bottom,
Bottom,
bottom, bottom.
Oh, down here. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, yeah. Mixture's running. Okay. Okay. It's hitting the stops. That's good. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Very nice.
Okay. Steve?
Steve,
Stewart?
he was calling your name.
Okay, power's coming on. No.
The reason he's got it in flight attitude is to make it easier for the gas to climb up to the engine.
Okay, check for fuel.
It went into bypass. I don't hear it. It's no leaks. Nothing's running overboard.
Nothing. There is some of the cooling fluid that has run forward because we changed the attitude.
Okay. A lot better.
It does turn a lot better. Okay, so we had a gasket problem on the prop governor when we fired it the other day, and we've solved that. And he's going to run flaps, he's going to run the gear doors, he's going to run the oil cooler door.
Dave, watch out for flying cars.
Okay, power, Jen's just turning on the power.
Okay. Pumps on.
There goes the fuel pump. Clear? Yep. Okay, Jan, so you've run the engine now. This is the first time you've been able to really run the engine at any length because of a couple of issues. So what's your take?
So initially, after I got the cockpit situated here, it started right up. A little twitchy on the throttle and the mixture, so I need to get that figured out. And runs pretty good. Runs pretty good. And apparently no leaks out there, so
I can't discern any.
that's all to the good.
Yeah.
So we'll figure out a few of these little issues here, and then start over, do it again.
Okay. So what you're talking about is maybe some adjustments to the timing and figure out what, because you haven't got a tack indication right now either.
For some reason the tachometer is not reading, so I need to get that issue figured out. But the idle speed seems to be a bit high to me, and then the mixture seems a little bit sensitive.
Okay.
I should say that.
Well, yeah, it sounds good. So we'll do some sorting and get back to you. Thanks for watching.